How does spoliation of evidence affect my personal injury case? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. That's what your case can feel like if evidence has been destroyed or lost. Spoliation of evidence happens when someone intentionally or accidentally gets rid of or alters proof relevant to your injury claim. This can include physical items like a damaged vehicle or documents like medical reports. Because evidence is the backbone of proving who is at fault and how much you deserve, losing it can be a big problem. When evidence is destroyed or not preserved, it can make your case weaker or even impossible to win. Courts take spoliation seriously because it can prevent justice from being served. If the court finds out that evidence was intentionally destroyed, the responsible party might face penalties like fines or even having their claims dismissed. Sometimes, the court can tell the jury to assume the missing evidence would have been bad for the person who destroyed it. In extreme cases, destroying evidence can lead to criminal charges. To prevent this, parties involved in a case must keep all relevant evidence once they know a legal claim might happen. This includes physical objects, electronic data, or written records. Lawyers often send formal notices called litigation hold notices to make sure evidence isn't lost or tampered with. For example, in a car accident case, preserving the vehicle is vital because it could contain data from the black box that shows what caused the crash. If you suspect evidence has been lost or destroyed, your lawyer can ask the court to take action. They might file a motion to request sanctions or penalties against the responsible party. The court can also allow a jury to assume that the missing evidence would have been unfavorable to the party who lost it. This can actually help your case by making it clear that the destruction was not accidental. Both sides in a personal injury case have a legal duty to preserve evidence. If either side fails to do so, they risk losing credibility or facing penalties. For injured parties, it's important to act quickly to secure any evidence in your control. This might mean taking photos, saving documents, or requesting the preservation of electronic data. In the end, spoliation can seriously damage your case by removing key proof needed to establish fault or damages. Protecting evidence is not just a legal requirement but also a smart move to strengthen your chances of winning. Keeping all relevant proof safe and intact helps ensure your rights are protected and your claim has the best possible chance of success.